You will use the ifs function, the nested ifs function, and data validation to calculate the federal tax. We begin with the tax rate: 15%, 20.5%, 26%, 29%, and 33%. And this make up line 39. Next, the base amount, starting from 0 to 48,535, 97,069, 150,473, and 214,368. And this make up line 37, the base amount. And finally, line 41, starting from 0. So that's 0 and 7,280, 17,230, 31,115, and 49,645. So line 41, which is tax on the amount. Now we will use this sample values for line 36. So we enter in line 36 data validation, and the range from 40,000 to 300,000, and save. So these are the values of line 36 from 40,000 to 300,000. We start with 400,000. Now we enter the if statement, or the if function, nested if function of line 37, the base amount. Copy, paste it, enter. So at 40,000, the base amount is 0. At 80,000, which is within this range, so the base amount is 48,535. Next is 100,000, which is within this range, so the base amount is 97,069. And 180,000, so which is within this range, so the base amount is 150,473. And if it is greater than 214,000, which is 300,000, so the base amount is 214,368. Next, we calculate line 38, which is line 36 minus line 37. This amount cannot be negative, so therefore we use the max function. So copy and paste it here. If this value is negative, it will be 0. So starting from 40,000, so that's 40,000 minus 0, that's 40,000. 80,000, 80,000 minus 48,535, that's 31,465. At 100,000, that's 100,000 minus 97,069, 2,931. At 180,000, that's 180,000 minus 150,473, that's 29,527. At 300,000, that will be 300,000 minus 214,368, that will be 85,632. Now we calculate the federal tax rate. The federal tax rate, we use this if statement. And paste. So starting from 0 or 40,000, so our federal tax rate is 15%. So that's within this range. At 80,000, which is within this range, it should be 20.5%. That's 20.5%. At 100,000, which is within this range, it will be 26%. At 180,000, which is within this range, it should be 29%. And if it is more than 214,000, that's 300,000, it is greater than 214,368, it will be 33%. And line 40 is line 38 times line 39. So we copy this formula. So that's line 38 times line 39, which is this value. Next, line 41, which is the tax on the amount. We copy this ifs formula, copy, paste, and we start from 40,000. At 40,000, the tax on the amount is 0. 80,000, which is within this range, so the tax amount is 7,280. At 100,000, which is within this range, so the tax on the amount is 17,230. At 180,000, which is within this range, the tax on the amount is 31,150. And if it is 300,000, greater than 214,368, the tax on the amount is 49,645. And line 42 is the sum of 65, line 40, and line 41. This completes the use of the nested ifs function and data validation to calculate federal tax.